My name is Brian Reed. I'm the Chief Mobility Officer here at NowSecure. So when we look at today's highly competitive business marketplace, the entire executive team and C-suite needs to enable and drive growth and customer success. And so that means, for example, the Chief Marketing Officer and the Chief Digital Officer coming together to create transformative experiences to engage their customers, acquire new customers, drive revenue, and drive customer satisfaction. For the CIO and CTO are new pressures to deliver technologies and systems to support those business needs of their C-suite brethren, to deliver reliable, high-performance, highly scalable, but also rapid innovation throughout their supply chain. And the CISO now needs to transition from the department of we secure everything into enabling all of the transformation occurring across the rest of the C-suite. They need to become the department of yes, enabling the business to build security and resilience into the applications they build and protect the organization while they're scaling this business at a faster pace. Well, NowSecure today is now delivering products and services to enable a cost-effective way to deliver continuous security for the transforming enterprise.